Ake ngitshele lina ke indaba zenu. Nibona ninaki kangakanani. Wathi uHasovu lo kade khona noMalema lapha exekethi indaba uMalema eshuthi yena akayona threat kuphela umanager thina ukuthi singacasuki kakhulu kwama singamanager sobulala yena uMalema namabhunu ku sentini. uMalema wena. Ngibeceleni ke ifighter yenu le. Wathi baba uHasovu eya ku TV ecasukile. Wafika wathi Ramaphosa is wasteful, he's useless, he's got no balls. Wathi we gave him a chance to presidency. Neze njani nina? Nalibala ukujabula ukuthi ya bamjikela belungu. Nayilahla kakhulu lapha. Ngoba andanga ngisayibuza ukuthi yini le uRamaphosa wayethembisa uHasovu ukuthi uzoyenza angasayenzi. Ngoba manje ngakwazi lokho anzoyibona imamba ngaphansi kasofa. Ngoba ngathi njengamanje uRamaphosa usiyazenza lezo zinto. Maybe one of those ukhatha thina from the grid ka Eskom. Maybe it's one of those proposals or conditions that were put when Ramaphosa was given money. And nina njalo nishiya ikhala kwinkulumo zabantu anilandeli inkulumo yomholi anayilandeli inkulumo yomuntu ngoba ithwele isithwalo esinzima kabe sizemahlombe akho. Mina ngaba worried ukuthi uHasovu yini lena uRamaphosa ayebathembisa yona ba sidinga ukuyazi lonto khona mase yenza uRamaphosa sibotha unanga sayenza ke lento wayithembisela abafanda zakhe ngoba I can tell you whatever it is that Hasovu was angry that Ramaphosa is no longer doing does not favor the interest of black people. I know. And I know no Ramaphosa akayenzanga ngoba bengafuni ukushesha phumele obala ukuthi udlala yaphi team ngoba besomkhipha ngokushesha either through ANC or through anything else. So question is, engabe lezi zinto uHasovu wayekhalela uRamaphosa azenzi, engabe uRamaphosa akaqali ukuzenza na? Ngoba I do think uRamaphosa is going to do those things. And that's why too when nginichazela ama behaviors ama presidents ngathi ama behaviors abo you see them for through three phases or two reasons. One is to do what they were given a chance to be president for. Two is to leave some legacy, or three is just to complete carelessness ukuthi what will be consequence of their decision. So uRamaphosa was given a chance to be president for specific things that he had to do when it comes to presidents. And he didn't do those things, perhaps at least at the speed that was required by the funders. That's why Hasovu was that angry. Question is, Hasovu now is quiet. Doesn't that mean that Ramaphosa now is doing what he promised the white class which gave him monies? What are those things? Asazi namanje asibuzanga. The same way singabuzanga uRamaphosa eActive efike ethi we will use our SADC region network to facilitate the new world order. None of the academics, none of the critical thinkers, none of the ANC stalwarts interrogated that. What new world order we are talking about, Ramaphosa, and how does it align with ANC policy conference resolutions? Nobody asked that. Nani futa nibuzanga. Ngoba the new world order kuyonto encane leyo. That's a big thing. But none of you made Ramaphosa explain himself. What the new world order that we are saying when we are going to use our SADC network to facilitate? How does it favor the interest, aspirations, and the material conditions of the black oppressed class? Nobody asked. You kept quiet. You thought Ramaphosa is just saying it for the sake of saying it. No. When these guys speak on TV, they're speaking to their funders. But in the process of what they are saying, it reflects the decisions they've taken for you. And you don't follow those decisions when you feel like, oh, we love Ramaphosa. Ngisho Ramaphosa said, ngizobanquma bonke before the end of 2 weeks. Yeah, Ramaphosa wethu. Hey, bantu abamnyama ke nivuke la. And I'm sure yonke lezo thing ngishilo niyazazi. Anibuzi ukuthi uthini mawuthi. Ihlangana lapho lento suyisho thina. You don't ask. And indaba zenu ukuthi ake nifunde ukulalela nilandelele izinkulumo zabantu. Abantu mabesha izinto zingane egcineni kwelanga. And if lingayinakile zizonishaya egcineni kwelanga. So bantu abamnyama ke nifundeni ukulandelela. Listen to what your leaders say, because it speaks to or it points to your political direction and how it will then affect your material conditions. Anbuza